If you ever want to tell how much body percent you have extra, how much fat, how much water weight, and how much muscle weight you actually have, this is the ultimate smart bathroom slash body scale with BMI, which is testing your body mass index. The ultimate home body scale that tells you everything. If you have to go to the gym or anywhere else to test your body weight, it could be hundreds of dollars and very expensive. But with this right here, we could check everything right at home and it's very easy. Let's see what's in the box. It holds up to 396 pounds. It also works with a smart app feature, which you could control every single thing. This is a nice black color. That part which I'm going to show you guys, we're going to hold our thumb into that. We're going to place this. We have all the instruction that comes inside, and we have a hook maybe for that part, but you can see nicely protected. Let's get everything out of the box. This is how our product look right here. It made really well, good quality. It got a little weight. We're gonna turn it over to show you. You got pad right here, non-slip, so this will stick on the ground. You got barcode whenever you want to set it up and stuff like that. You also have a wire cable. I'm going to show you guys how to hold this. Comes with a charger, so you do not have to keep replacing battery. It charged within 2 hours. Fully charged will last you a long time. Make sure to read the instruction. You could download the app and it could store up to 24 people device data in here, which is incredible. The whole family and everybody could have their own setup and feature inside. Turn it around with the plug right here. You can see we have our power button right here and we have our charger port right here. So if you press this here, this will take it off and restart it and everything like that. You can see the colors right there. It's beautiful. Thing it tells you, do not put it on avoid to go on carpet, rugs and stuff like that. Try to keep it on like a wood floor or a hard surface so you could get a accurate measure. We have it on a tile floor and we're gonna put the power button on. We're gonna come here and grab this. I'm gonna show you guys how to properly hold this. And you see this two part right here, how they separate. These are meant for your thumb part. And you got a wider part, which we're gonna use our 4 fingers like that. So basically put your thumbs like that and do not press down too much, just lightly touch like that. We're gonna step on here, right there. And then we're gonna come get our thumb finger here, put our regular fingers over here, gently press it. Gonna hold this up about 30 to 40 degrees and we're gonna wait. So make sure to download the app to get the full reading and chart so you could print it out. It tells you like the body weight, the water weight, bone weight, and whichever goals you want, whether you're gaining weight, losing weight, or you just want to stay healthy overall. Overall, it's a pretty easy gadget to use in your bathroom, or you could leave this in your kitchen. It's a great way to save a lot of money because you don't have to go pay a lot of money, as I told you. I paid for this one time back in the days. It was like maybe almost $100 or something to tell me my water weight and body fat and all that stuff like that. And it's very important to keep a track of your water weight, your fat, and your muscle, and every single thing. And also it tells you your heart rate, which is incredible. This one little device could tell you everything. It's not expensive. Check in the description box. I'm going to leave the link in every single thing, more details about this product inside. And my honest review here on Product Zone, we give it a 2 thumbs up because it's something that coming up for the New Year's, a lot of people are going to get into the gym and you do want to track your progress. You just don't want to track like, your app of your calories alone. You want to make sure you stay ahead of how much you're weighing. If your goal is losing a 20-pound, now you need a machine like this because it's going to tell you exactly where all that body fat is, hanging around and how much more body fat you could lose and how much more you could gain. And then check the chart to see your height. So your height will tell you exactly how much pound you should be, how much pound, it's underweight or overweight and every single thing like that. It's a good company. It's a good price, as I said. And it's a good body scale with BMI and it's more advanced. It's not hard to use. Follow the app, download the app. It's free app. It's a free app and you could set up everything easily. Also, if you want to give a family member and help them motivate them for reach their goal coming up in 2025, this is a great idea. All right, thank you so much for watching Product Zone. Thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos.